Hello friends, so in this video today I'll be sharing about a unique exclusive feature that we have recently released in GBPGM app guys. You must be knowing that you can create a website using GBPGM app, that is GBP site, which actually shows all the information in a website format that you actually post on your Google business profile. Now in this GBP site option, you can actually have this site in your own native language. Yes guys, in any language that you prefer. It covers 49 languages which are also used by Google throughout the world. You can actually find your language and translate it on a single click in your native language, and it will be showing in whatever language you selected to your customers. So this website will be really helpful to you, and it will automatically translate everything that is a main part of the website in your native language. Rest all the content that you already have on your Google business profile in your native language will be displayed as it is. It won't translate that content because that is actually coming from Google directly, but it will translate the main structure of the website in your native language that I'll be showing you in this video how to do that. It's super simple on a single click. So guys, as you can see, this is the Google business profile app. I have already logged in. I am inside my own Google business profile where I'll be showing you how to do this. And as you all know, if you have created GBP site, you can go to tools option. There you will find this GBP site option, and here you can select language also, but it's only available in premium version guys, because it's a premium version feature, and in free version you can just create a simple site which is available in English guys. And in premium there are so many other features available, like you can add your own domain, you can change menus, select which to show, which one not to show, you can add mandatory pages, you can add contact information, email ID, social media links, you can add WhatsApp chat support, you can submit this site to Google, you can run ads via this by adding conversion tracking into this, and you can add few things related to SEO which will help your website to rank. And in additional settings guys, you can add domain. Similarly, now you can change the language of your site very easily. It's simple. You can see this language option. I'll just select and I'll scroll down. You can see all the languages here guys, and whatever language you want, say for example if you want a language from Italy, you can see this is a language, and I'll just select it and I'll save it guys. But before saving guys, I'll just show you the site which is created through this app, and you can see this is a site. I'll just refresh it for you, and guys, it's here in English. Right now what I'll do, I'll just save it in Italian language, and I've just saved it guys. Settings updated. Now I'll come to the site and I'll just refresh live for you guys, and you can see this guys, the language is changed. The content language cannot be changed because it's in English on my profile as well, and it's coming directly from Google. So if your content is in your own native language on Google, then definitely everything else, you can see all these menus, this get direction, call option, these services, reviews, gallery, and your updates and contact details, everything till footer, it's translated in your native language. Even the days of week are also translated guys. Similarly, you can do it in any language available here guys, and it's really simple. You can just change the language here. I can just show you. I'll just again change it to English and save it, and we'll just refresh the site again for you, and you can see it's again in English guys. So it's super simple. You don't need to do it again and again because it will save these settings against your site name, and you don't need to do it again and again. I was just showing you so that you can actually understand it's working and how it's working.